parking. We were there, but it was delay from our side to intervene into. Lucky for our guys, they went on that floor and the cylinder blast. We do an inspection recently. We had a huge inspections going on, and we are continuing it. The thing what officer said, the cooking of the cylinder for extracting the residue of the LPG is very dangerous. I attended 4 to 5 calls wherein because of this cylinder blast and number of people died. So it's not, this training is not only pertaining to what. See, you ever thought of what we are talking now? I'm just asking you. It's an eye opener, right? आप लोगों ने कभी सोचा था ये ऐसे होता है? नहीं नहीं, I'm not here to deliver the lecture. I'm interacting with you guys. आपने सोचा था ऐसा कभी? मनापासून सांगा. But you are not endangering the life of the whom? Those who are coming for a good time, to have a lunch, to have a dinner, those who have a faith on you guys, to have a fun. But also you are endangering doing this bad practice. Your colleagues, your own self. Don't have a chance. The explosion is explosion. You're done with. There's no second chance. The wirings is a silly mistakes, the wiring which goes near the hood. The hood is never get cleaned. The carbon dioxide suits which are there accumulated with the ingress of oil, they become combustible. Non-combustible nature of the carbon suits become a combustible. And then you have a huge black, whenever there is a fire, huge black kind of a smoke coming out, which again result into asphyxia. And the people dies, most of the people, those who are there, like 80-90%, those who are subject to this kind of accident, they died because of the asphyxia, because it increases your panic level, it increases your anxiety, then taking the content of like carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, H2S, which is the byproduct of any kind of a combustion. Because of that, the oxygen which is required for your own decision making over here is not getting, proper, and then in a such kind of anxiety, you make a wrong decision, and people die. And it's hardly a seconds you require. So taking into account of, I'm not creating, this is not only a lecture, this is a volunteer. We are pleading to you to join us, okay, in a safety. Join us because, no fire service in the world. See, there are two differences between them. What is the difference between the army, those who are on the border, and they are also uniform service, and we are also uniform service like army within the population? What's the difference? What is the difference? If there is an insurgency, usually there is a fight between us and enemy, right? फाइट किसके साथ होता है? इंडिया का फाइट किसके साथ होएगा? Right? Where no doubt the residents nearby are subject to get affected, and because of that they are getting evacuated. Okay, but there is a time. Here we are the army within the civilized population where we are fighting fire, which is created by us, and our enemy is within ourselves. You understand what I have been to say? is most difficult thing. If you fight with your own self, is the most difficult thing to fight, right? अपने आप से झगड़ा करने का is one of the most difficult task. You can fight with other. You can fight with somebody, okay? Not an issue. It's not he because either he will get affected. जो ज़्यादा दम है वो गिरा देगा यार. But when you are fighting within yourself, it's very difficult. So same thing, same principle, same logic lies over here. We are fighting a fire with our own self because you are the society. Those who are also a part of us. I'm आपको मालूम है आर्मी लोगों का कंटिजेंट रहता है दे हैव देयर ओन बैरक्स दे स्टे आउट ऑफ पब्लिक वी आर विद इन द पब्लिक and that's the reason we always say that fire safety is a joint responsibility. Fire is not an enemy, which is the nature of the fire is being changed by because of our own ignorance. Our own, in a sense, when I am saying our own, I am also involved into it. I am also a citizen. I am also not a chief fire officer. As a chief fire officer, I'm sharing my experiences with you, okay? But I am also a part of this society. That's the reason we require large number of volunteers. आप लोगों को जो भी इधर से सॉफ्ट कॉपी चाहिए, you can take with you. You can go ahead. You can whatever the knowledge you are getting here, you can go into your own establishment, ask them that now I have a card. Yes, boss, I am different from you guys. I have a cap, okay? जब तक कि आप ये फौज बड़ा नहीं करोगे, in Bangladesh, they are the poor country, okay? And always it is pathetic, to maintain the fire brigade is kind of usually there is a complacency within ourselves. हम लोग बोलते हैं यार उसका कुछ हो गया मेरा क्या होगा. I'm safe always. Nobody wants safe, right? उसके वजह से फायर ब्रिगेड के ऊपर ख्याल नहीं रहता है. The kind of population, kind of GDP, kind of economic status of Bangladesh, everybody knows, okay? There, what they did, they each fire engine, they have 2 professional guys and 3 volunteers among the citizens are on the fire. Forget about Bangladesh. I've been to New Zealand, I've been to London, UK, even US. All suburban fire services are taken care by the volunteers. You know that? The workforce in all develop manage in the sense not like this, 2-3 घंटे का नहीं है. This is like regular fire service they have. They have a fire engine. There's only one guy, professional guy who manage everything. It is a city fire brigade wherein the fire station is there. Everybody have a pages. Whenever there is a paging, those who are trained by the fire brigade, they become a fire volunteers. And again, in that also they have a cadre. In a fire volunteer, there is another professional fire service and the fire volunteer. And fire volunteer, the cadre is gone up to the chief, like a civil defense. Okay. We don't cater or we don't have this kind of system in this. But everything is taken care over there. It's like a community meeting point. The fire station is a full-fledged fire station. It have our own legacy. It have our own history. I think by you as a guys coming in contact with us, becoming a volunteer might be a first step. हो सकता है कुछ दिन में Raghuvan, whatever, Phoenix Mall or whatever, there will be a one fire engine and then whole community of yours will be a fireman over there and standing over there. Not only, I'm not talking about this installation system, taking care of the installation system or within your premises, but see, the manpower, again the manpower, we are directly, indirectly or directly also get affected. अंगार लगने के बाद सिर्फ अंगार में जो अंदर फंसा हुआ है वो लोग ही नहीं अफेक्ट होता है. I'll just give you an example. If at all in a large scale or some malls or whatever, right? If there is a fire, what will happen? The manhose goes off, धंधा कम हो जाएगा. आप अल्टीमेटली पगार किसका कम होगा? 10 आदमी लोग जिधर काम कर रहा है वो आदमी के रेस्टोरेंट में there are 10 people, so 10 waiters, chefs, whatever, manager, 2 manager require front desk manager, back desk manager, whatever. I don't know too much of it. I'm not in a hotel business. But अगर कुछ हो गया, then what happen? The footprint will start falling down. Then what will happen? The management will take the decision. Boss, बहुत हो गया, पगार नहीं दे सकता हूँ, 5 जन को उड़ाओ, फ्रंट डेस्क वाले को उड़ा दो, उसको बोल बैक हैंड एंड फ्रंट डेस्क भी काम करो. दैट हैपेंस, यस और नो? आर यू एग्री? सो दैट ऑल्सो affect you directly or indirectly. तुम्हारा premises भी नहीं अंगार में लगा. And just see that 2 months or 3 months without salary, then searching for the job, again going into that anxiety कि कल मेरा क्या होगा, also affects your own performance. So, again, thank you very much for participating. I think is आप लोगों को ये 3-4 घंटे में you might have got good inputs, yes or no? And I think there are certain things which you cannot see as a professional, we see it, okay? This is an opportunity, to be frank with you. The reason is like, I work into, I get myself, because we are working with the fire services, I get an opportunity to, meet the people, those who are like, army guys, navy guys, you name it. When we share the experiences, then what I'm talking, what is really happening on the border, what is expected from me in the city, in a Mumbai, if something happens, that's become very easy. So when we share this kind of experience within our core premises with the professional, आपको भी हमारा expectations आपसे क्या है और आप लोगों को हमारे से क्या expectation है, that calculation becomes simple, right? And then again, what is a fun होना नहीं चाहिए any premises. If something happens, okay, something happens, and then my fire engine goes in, my driver operator, usually होता है क्या होता है, there are 90% chances we get like everybody wants to help us, but that is nuisance for us. You understand? Nuisance in the sense we have a kind of like कुछ हो गया, like army we do have a SOPs, we have a strategies, we know our job. उसमें 10 आदमी लोग आएगा help करने के लिए, actually they become an obstruction for us because we don't have a faith on them, and somebody's life is in stake. Now you become a volunteer within our own organization. We know, तुम सिर्फ कार्ड भी दिखा दिया I am a volunteer, you will get a different respect. And instead of you asking me or you telling me कि ऐसा करो, my guy will tell you, boss, you are a volunteer, go, do this, do that, which will help me. And it's really do a wonders. 2 guys, I think Atlanta, which fire? Borab, you were there. The 2, Atlanta, Nariman Point, the 2 guys, those who were, security guys, nose of flare plate. They said, sir, either se jayega, huge smoke, unbelievable smoke, no visibility, too much of heat. Okay, they were like when you go into the lobby, I can go into the virtual thing. We go into the lobby, okay. Definitely as a fireman, I really don't know. Whole thing is like, closed atmosphere, like all windows are closed, and I cannot see anything. So what first instinct as a fireman, I आप लोग, there's one chance, like, for you guys, when there is a heat, you run away, okay, we go into the heat. So we started following the heat, where the huge heat is coming up, okay, from where the draft is coming up. The guy came, sir, ये इधर अंगार नहीं है.